Good morning student, myself Rajni Madhukar. I am once again here for you for your revision part. Okay student, means we already completed our class work but we started our revision. Now student, this is the chapter number 5. What is the chapter name of the chapter? The journey of food. In the first lecture we already completed our explanation part. I explain you again all the things. Is it correct? Now after that we wrote fill in the blanks of this chapter that is related to this chapter but not given in your textbook. This is the extra one. Now after that we wrote in the third revision we write half fill in the blanks, and after that we start our fourth question, that is the related to define the following terms. Now these terms already given in your textbook but not defined properly, so we write the correct definition of that words. Okay, so start writing. Now student, in our previous lecture we wrote 8 fill in the blanks. Now at least we write 15 fill in the blanks related to this chapter. So start and your writing part. Now student, remember one thing, when we write anything of related to any chapter, so I am again and again give you instructions, means you have to keep your textbook and notebook with you. Okay, now start. We already completed 8 fill in the blanks. Now this is the 9. Pulses are pulses are blank space seeds of some plants. Now this is the blank space. Open your textbook and find what is the correct word we have to fill here. Okay, now after the sometimes I fill here correct word, but you open your textbook and search the correct word. Okay, what I wrote in here, pulses are blank seeds of some plants. This thing given in your textbook. Now number 10. Blank space. Okay, are rich in vitamins and minerals. Now blank space here, are rich in vitamins and minerals. This thing also given in your textbook. Read the chapter. Okay, means what we get, which thing give us vitamins and mineral, means in your lunch and dinner what you have. Okay, so which food product give you vitamins and minerals. So search in your textbook. Now number 11. Blank space 8 color to the food. Blank space, add colors and flavor to the food. Means which food product are add the color and flavor in our food. Means your mummy prepare so many dishes for you. Okay. Means your mother which thing add for the coloring, for the taste. You have to write the name of that thing here. Okay. Search in your textbook. Read the chapter. Turn the pages. Read the headings. These all the things given in your chapter number 5. Okay. Number 12. Oils is extracted from blank space of some plant. What I wrote on the number 12, oils is extracted from blank space of some plants. How do we get oils? Which part of the plant give us oil? I explained you in the explanation part. Already I explained you all the things. So which part of the plant give us oil? How do we get oil? You have to write the name of that part. Student, these are the 4 filling the blanks. What we wrote on the number 9, pulses are blank seeds of some plants. What we write here? Now number 10, blank space are rich in vitamins and minerals. How do we get vitamins and minerals? With which food product gives us vitamins and minerals? Write the name of that thing here. Now 11, add color and flavor to the food. Which food product add the color and flavor in our food? Now number 12, oil is extracted from blank of some plants. Now what we write on the number 1, pulses are. What we write here? Which types of seed? Dried seeds. We write here dried, D-R-I-E-D, dried seeds of some plants. Okay. Now number 10, are rich in vitamins and minerals. Which part of the plant give us vitamins and minerals? What we write here? That is vegetables and fruit. But we write here vegetables. Vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals. Now number 11, add color and flavor to the food. Which thing? We write here spices. Spices add colors and flavor. Now number 12, oil is extracted from which part of the plant? That is seed. Seed of some plant. Okay. This is the number 9, 10, 11 and 12. See the Now write number 30. A piece of land planted with fruit trees. A piece of land planted with fruit trees is called, what we say, this thing, a piece of land planted with fruit trees is called, means in this place only the farmer grow which thing, only fruit trees. Okay, so what we give the name of that piece of land? That is orchard. Now number 14. A drink especially one other than water. What I write here? A drink specially one other than water. What we say? That drink. Now we already drink water in our daily routine, but we drink anything else in the space of which thing? Water. So we give them name, and this thing already given in your textbook. What is the name of that thing? That is beverages. These are the special drink, and name of some beverages is coffee, tea. Okay, so fill here beverage. Now the 15th number. Process of watering plants. Is called, what we say this process? Fill here. Process of watering plants is called, that is irrigation. That is called irrigation. Now student, your fill in the blanks finished here. Student, this thing not given in your textbook. Okay, I include entire chapter in this fill in the blanks. You have to read the chapter for that, for the true and false, for the fill in the blanks, and only 5 MCQs given in your textbook. But your exam start, you got your timetable, so for that you read the chapter again and again. Okay, so this is your fill in the blanks number 13, 14 and 15. Number 13 not given in your textbook. Okay, only the heading given. A piece of land planted with fruit trees is called orchard. Now 14 number, a drink especially one other than water, means this drink especially we already have in the morning. Some people require tea, some have coffee. Okay, now your mummy give you milk, so the milk already beverages for the small kids. Okay, now the 15 number, process of watering plants is called, this is irrigation. The farmer growing crop, when he is growing seeds in the field, after that after the sometimes the seeds required sunlight, water and heat for the germination. I explain you in the that crop cycle, already I explained you, but this is the small, you have to put here small name. If you know the process, name of the process, so you already fill here. The process of watering plant means when the farmer give the water to seeds for the germination, and after the sometimes that seeds growing into the small plant. Okay, so this process is called irrigation. Now student, this is your question number 4. Now this question is define the following terms. Okay, so first I write heading, define the following. Define the following means I give you one word and you have to whole meaning of that word in one line. Okay, now start. The first number, that is irrigation. Now this thing we already wrote in the which question, that is the question number 3. Now write, what is the meaning of irrigation? Search in your textbook. What is the meaning of irrigation? Now, before the few minutes, कुछ ही समय पहले हमने लिखा है ना. Now, write this actual meaning of this word. Process. Right. Process of watering plants is called irrigation. Okay, process of watering plants is called irrigation. Now the second number, student, these all the words related to crop cycle. In the end of the explanation I explained you na, the crop cycle, the process of growing crop start on the which phase, which person start the growing crop? Farmer. And after the so many process we get our food. So that is called crop cycle. Okay. Now number 2. Number 2 is harvesting. These word also coming in the crop cycle. What is the meaning of harvesting? Open your book page number 29. Okay. These all the things given in the one paragraph. I give you only half minute. See the page number 29. This thing given in your textbook. What is the meaning of harvesting? Search in the textbook. Now student, your half minute over. I think some student searching the meaning of this word. You search. Now write the cutting of crops is called harvesting. What is the meaning of harvesting? When the crop ripe and ready for the cutting, means when the farmer growing seeds, the seeds growing, and after that we get a small plant. Now that plant give us which thing? Seeds. Again the seeds. And when after the sometimes, means not few days, after the 4 month or 6 month, that plant dried up, means सूख जाते हैं, and it also give us which thing? Small seeds. Now the farmer after that cut them. Why the farmer cut that plant? To get seeds or to get crop. Okay, so this process is called harvesting, the cutting of crops. The farmer don't cut the crop, means don't cut the only seeds of that plant. The farmer cuts whole plant or half plant. So the cutting of that plant is called harvesting. Clear? So this is the irrigation and harvesting. Once again I repeat for you. What is the meaning of irrigation? When the farmer watering the plant. Now student, if you want to write the answer of this question in your language, you have to write it. Okay? Or if you want to learn this line, you learn that. Process of watering plants is called irrigation. Now the harvesting, the cutting of crops is called harvesting. Okay? So this is the two words. Now we write next number 3 and 4. Now student, now number 3. This word also related to crop cycle. Okay, that is called winnowing. WINNOWING. What is the meaning of this word? When the farmer stop the harvesting process. Okay, are you aware of that word? Harvesting. First is irrigation, second is harvesting, means after the harvesting the farmer start winnowing process in the crop cycle. So we write the actual meaning of this word. What is the meaning of winnowing? Okay, so write the process of removing the husk from the grains. Is called winnow. What is the meaning of winnowing? The process of removing the husk, means when the farmer cut the crops after the harvesting process, farmer get which thing? Whole plant. Now in the food grains or in the pulses or in the food item, we use only seeds of the plants, not only whole plant. So for the removing them, means from the crops, farmer using this process, means the farmer only get the seed of the plant. So for that he remove the husk, means he remove the other parts of the plants. So for the winnowing process we get only grains, means dead seeds. Is it clear? Now if the farmer growing wheat, so we use only the seed, means we use only wheat. For that for through the that wheat we get only flour, means हम उसका आटा बनाते हैं. Okay, we get only seeds from the plant. So for getting that seeds from the crop, the farmer use winnowing process. Doing this thing, winnowing process, means farmer remove the rest of the part of the seeds or plant, and through this process only farmer get which thing? Only seed, means rice, wheat, whatever the farmer growing in their field. So getting only seeds from the plant or from the crop, this process is called winnowing, and rest of the thing farmer use in the other ways. Okay, so this is called winnowing. Now the number 4. Write the meaning of orchard. What is the meaning of orchard? Again, in the fill in the blanks, I already wrote that thing, but that word you also write here again. What is the meaning of orchard? A piece of land, again write the definition of this word. A piece of land planted with fruit trees is called orchard. Okay, we don't say if the farmer growing any plant of fruit or any tree, means mango tree. Have you sometimes we see in the small piece of the land, the farmer or any not farmer, any other person also growing. If that piece of the land in their authority, means अगर वो उसका मालिक है, तो he or she was she growing mango tree, lemon tree or guava tree. So that piece of the land is called orchard. We don't say this is the farm of mango, this is the farm of lemon, this is the farm of guava. We use a particular word for that, that is called orchard. Okay, this is the small piece of the land, means एक छोटे से टुकड़े में. Okay, so this is the orchard. Now the number 5. Define this word. Beverages. What is the meaning of this word? You have to write the definition of beverages. Write a drink especially one can, one other than water. Look here, student. Water is the most important part of our diet, because without water our body not digest our food properly. Okay, so our body required 9 to 10 glass of water, 8 to 9 glass of water in our daily routine, but we use other drinks also as a flavor or as a taste or as we like that. Okay, so these drinks are called beverages. The name of this drink is tea, coffee. Now if you have any juice, okay, if you mix sugar in the water, this is also called beverages. Okay, so we use the proper definition of beverages, so I write here for you. So you have to understand this thing. If anybody asks you in the space of water you have any drink in your daily routine, so what we say that a drink, you say that is the beverages, not water or not any drink. Okay, you have to give the particular name of that liquid, that is called beverages. Okay.
मैडम आप टाइप कर लो, बाद में देते हैं।
Right, number 6. That is the plugging. What is the meaning of plugging? Preparing soil for the crops. Preparing soil for the crops is called plugging. Preparing soil for the crops is called plugging. Now student, your fourth question completed. Now after that I finished my lecture here, but student, I give you some instruction. You have to read all the chapters for your examination, because your paper pattern is optional. Options are given, you have to tick that like PT1. So for that you read whole chapter. Okay. Now I finish my lecture here. Have a great day of you, and you read the chapter and prepare yourself for your examination. Okay student, bye.